I'm sure a lot of you people have seen these AI cooking videos that have gone viral on social media, generating thousands of likes, views, and even comments. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create your own AI cooking video so that you can go ahead and start creating content on platforms like TikTok so that it can also generate views, likes, and maybe become monetized this year. First thing first, you need a foundation prompt, and it is this foundation prompt that you use to create your own foundation image. In this document, I have my foundation prompt and also my video prompt. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to copy my foundation prompt so that I can go and generate my image. If you want this foundation prompt and my video prompt, all you need to do is type in prompt in the comment section of this video. So this prompt is what I'm going to go and use to generate my image. I'm just going to copy it real quick, then head over to Google where I'm going to go to Whisk AI, which is an image generation tool. You can generate images in Wix AI. I'm going to click on the links to Wix AI, then I'm going to go ahead and click on enter tool. Once you click on enter tool, I'm going to paste my foundation prompt here, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the aspect ratio I want for this image. You can see I've chosen it, that of TikTok. Basically what this prompt is going to do is that it's going to tell Whisk AI to generate my foundation character for me. So now that I am satisfied with everything, I'm going to click on this arrow that says send, and Whisk AI will go ahead and generate my image. It is done generating my image. You are just going to download your preferred image. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and download the two. So I'm going to show you what it looks like in a bit. And this is what my foundation image looks like. If you don't like any part of this image, you can regenerate. You can ask Whisk AI to regenerate it for you by just tweaking the prompt a little bit to what you want it to do. Having generated our foundation image, the next step is to go ahead and generate our videos. And for this, we are going to be using Grok AI. But before we do that, I'm going to advise you to head over to Grok AI settings and turn off the settings that says automatically generate a video for uploaded image. This is to ensure that once you upload your image for generation in Grok AI does not automatically generate the videos for you without waiting for your prompt for the video. To turn off this setting, click on the menu at the top left hand corner. Then click on the setting gear. Scroll down a bit to where you have automatically generate videos for uploaded images and turn it off like this. Once you're done, return back to new chat, then click on video, create video. Once you click on create video, go ahead and upload the foundation image we generated. Once you upload the foundation image we generated, I'm going to go back to my document and pick my first video prompt. And once I pick my first video prompt, I'm going to paste it here. It is going to go ahead and generate a video, and in this prompt I have asked Grok AI to also include a video of my character saying, "Hello, today I am going to teach you how to cook the famous Nigerian jollof rice." So I'm just going to be patient for it to finish generating my video. This is amazing because Grok AI can actually generate image along with video. If you don't know, you should know that now. Let us take a listen to the video.
Hello, today I am going to teach you how to cook the famous Nigerian jollof.
Next, I'm going to go ahead and bring in the same image. Then go to my document and bring in my second prompt for this AI cooking video. I'm going to click on send and to generate this second video. You can see I am using the same image I generated, only with a different video prompt. So I'm just going to be patient for it to generate the video for me. Now it's done generating my video, and you can see lady is placing the pot on the firewood fire. Remember I told you that we are going to be using one foundation prompt and one foundation image for the entire images and video in this AI cooking video tutorial. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Now what I'll simply do is I'll go to the second video that I generated with Grok AI and I'll try to screenshot a part where the lady is seated with her hands on the pot. Next, I'm going to head over to Grok AI, upload the image I just screenshotted from the video, and then place my video prompt in the text box. Now that I've pasted it, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the set button, and Grok AI will go ahead and generate the third video for me. You can see that all our images and videos are gotten from the first image that I generated from the first foundation prompt, like I said earlier in the video. Now my video is ready and you can see the lady is stirring the onion and she's pouring tomatoes into the hot oil and onion. Let me tell you something, you can ask ChatGPT to create prompts for different part of your cooking steps. It could be chopping onions, maybe the lady chopping onions and ChatGPT will do it. It could be cutting vegetables like cabbage. It will go ahead and do it. Lastly, we are going to head over to CapCut where we are going to bring our videos together. So I'm just going to click on the 3 videos that I generated, and then I'm going to click on add to bring them to the timeline in CapCut. You can see them now. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut the places that I think are not necessary or I think don't belong in the video. Here in CapCut, you can also decide to add frying sound, cutting sound, depending on how you want your cooking, how realistic you want your cooking video to look and sound. So once I'm done cutting, I'm just going to go ahead and delete them, the places that I don't like. And once I'm satisfied with the video like that, I'm just going to go ahead and click on export at the top right hand corner of the video to export my final work. Now you can decide that you want to create more scenes. All you just need to do is ask ChatGPT to give you more video prompts for this AI cooking tutorial. You can say, give me a video prompt of this lady maybe chopping onion, give me a video prompt of this lady cutting meat, whatever it is you want to do. Or you can say, give me a step-by-step guide video prompt of this lady cooking jollof rice. ChatGPT will just do that for you. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.